Hi, my name is Robert Ray with MP3Car. We're here at the XCore booth at CES 2010. We just took an external look at the XCore Keyboard PC, but we thought we'd take the opportunity, since we're here at CES, to do a teardown right here on the show floor of CES 2010. So let's take a look inside to find out what makes the $99 XCore Keyboard PC work. I think this is the first on-show floor teardown that we filmed at a live trade show event of the only working prototype of the. Is it the only working prototype, or do we have?
There's two.
There's two.
Yes. It's
one of two, and they just dropped it. Oops.
But you see, it's pretty mature inside, even though we just have two of these.
Yeah. All right, so we're taking the keyboard layer off here right now. And looks like we've got a little ribbon cable that connects it to the circuit board. So this metal that we're taking off right now serves to act as EFI shielding, as well as taking the heat from the chips and moving them to the exterior of the keyboard, so it can be completely fanless. Lowering the cost because we don't have to spend money on a fan. Probably lowering power consumption too, because we don't have to have power. 2 watts.
Yes.
All right. All right, so I guess we're looking at speakers here. We've got the main processor, or this is the whole computer here that we can, and now this is swappable, so as they come out with new models, they can take out this module and put in your new computer module, basically, leaving just like the physical interface slots here and the keyboard in place. What other things should we talk about while we've got in here?
Wi-Fi is over here.
Oh, wow.
It's on USB.
So we have a little internal USB port here that would hold the Wi-Fi. Right. Where you'd connect in your SATA hard drive?
Yes.
And right here is where you plug in your 3G, your GSM or your CDMA card to give you cellular or mobile connectivity, and then your antenna would plug right in this little knockout right here if you decided to buy that accessory. Thanks for watching the XCore Keyboard PC teardown, and thanks for watching our blog.